Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this video, we will learn how to put a blank line before numbers in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. If you are working with numbers list, outlines, exam questions, reports or official documents, adding paper spacing before numbers is essential for better reliability and professional formatting. Many users struggle with spacing issues in Word, especially when working with numbered list. This video shows simple effective methods to add a blank line before numbers without breaking the numbering format. So let's get started. You can see here a document. You can open your document when you make this. Now I add space or line before the number. You can make this using keyboard. Now I am press shift on our keyboard and hold this, then type the underscore, then write my number 1, then press enter and again make the same process. Firstly press and hold the shift, then type the underscore, then again make the same process. Now we can see we add the blank line before the number. You can change the space. Now I am click this space option and change the space between line. You can increase the font size, otherwise you can decrease the font size. Now we can see we add blank line before the number very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.